Got a minute to learn something new about smartwatches? Just a reminder, we have a whole playlist of these tips which you can reach at this address, and a lot of goodies are waiting for you in a Google Drive at the Smartwatch Resource Center here. Your 1 minute begins now. Whether you have a standalone Android smartwatch phone or a fitness watch, if it has a GPS module in it, you need to season it and get it ready before you do your workout. On an Android watch, you want to make sure you turn on GPS here, and in the fitness app, you want to go over to the third panel and make sure it's turned on there. Then you want to activate your activity so it can start looking for GPS. This one found it right away because it's already been tested and set up. That's how you want it to respond when you're out in the field. On a fitness watch, it should already have the GPS module ready to go. You just need to go in and select your activity, and it'll start flashing the GPS. When it's solid, you're good to go here. Either one of them, if it starts too soon and you're not ready, that's not a problem. Just simply stop the activity, throw it away, and get ready for your real run, walk, or cycling. That way you'll know GPS is up and ready for you, and you won't be waiting 5 minutes for it to acquire the satellites. Good to know.